Hey guys, it's me TJ here, and I'm back with the Hot Wheels Advent Calendar for the new year. If you guys aren't keeping up with the series, here was yesterday's unboxing right here, Audacious. Right here, this van. This was yesterday's, the 8th. Today is the 9th, which is right here. So, let's open it. And here it is. It looks like it's a plow that you can attach on a car. If you guys can see. So let me grab a car. And see if I can put it on. Yep. There it is. Right here. There's a plow on there. Doesn't roll very well, but it's got a plow. Kinda rolls. Let's try it on Audacious. There it is. Radical Racer. I keep wanting to say Bad Raditude. Yeah, there it is. And lastly, MR11. There. Also subscribe and leave a like on this video and hit the bell to join the Gray Sheep Nation. Also, let me know in the comments what your favorite Hot Wheels series is. So, right guys, that's the end of this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, hit the like button down below and subscribe. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye!